the solar eclipse on Monday, more than 50 teams across the country will work together to film the shadow of the moon as it crosses the United States. And one of those groups is right here in KOTA territory. Eclipse chaser Peggy Norris of the Sanford Lab is working with 7 students as part of the nationwide Eclipse Ballooning Project. On August 21st, as the shadow of the moon crosses the country from Oregon to South Carolina, 53 teams will be launching balloons high into the atmosphere, carrying a payload with a camera and several other experiments. But this isn't just any balloon.
From ground, we've been dealing with approximately 8 feet in diameter for the balloons. When they get up to altitude, they grow 36 times that original size before bursting.
The team includes 4 School of Mines students, 1 from the University of Minnesota, and 3 interns. They have been working for months on each and every component of this project.
So we're launching a weather balloon with some equipment on it for NASA, along with about 50 other teams, to get kind of a live stream of the shadow of the moon crossing the Earth.
I worked on a lot of the payload components for the payload that basically will launch up during the solar eclipse, and during a lot of our launches we've launched a payload that has tracking capabilities and also live video streaming capabilities.
In addition to the live streaming camera, several experiments will also go up with the payload, including an astrobiology experiment looking at how bacteria will react to harsh atmospheric conditions, and a cosmic ray detector.
That NASA wants to do education, so this is a big outreach event. So students like us are getting involved, and when we live stream this to the internet, the whole world can see it.
The balloon will expand until it bursts high in the atmosphere, and the payload will fall back to Earth. The team will then recover the payload, download the data, and send it back to NASA. So the group will launch their balloon at 10:45 a.m. from Alliance High School, because that's in the path of totality, and then it'll get up to altitude by 11:45 a.m., and their camera is solely responsible for filming 2.5 minutes of that shadow as it goes across. And you can watch it at eclipse.nasa.live on Eclipse Day. Super, super cool.
She has got